Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have created a festive flow for gratitude and just through this and joy through this festive season. This practice is going to be a little bit more challenging. We're going to be flowing through some moves. We're going to find ourselves extending our legs and in warrior position. I really hope you're going to enjoy it. It's not going to be too long, but just long enough so that you feel gratitude and joy through the holiday season. Okay, we're going to start our practice with our feet hip-width distance apart, shoulders stacked on top of the waist, crown lifted through the top of the head. We're going to close our eyes. Let's be mindful of our body, what we're feeling today. And of course, at any time of the practice, if you're not liking it, things are getting grumpy, we're going to stop or slow down. So let's go ahead and breathe. Inhaling, exhaling out. Why we do this at the beginning of the practice is so that we may arrive on our chair, breathing in and out, arriving in this room, arriving in our bodies. Inhaling and exhaling. Well done. Open up your eyes if you had closed them. Let's go ahead and take our arms all the way up for a big stretch. Inhale. Exhale, take your hands to the heart. Again, breathing in, arms all the way up, 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 up. And then hands to the heart. Big breath. Let's expand our lungs. Inhale. Exhaling. One more time. Breathing in, big breath, big arms. And exhale, breathe out. Let's go ahead and open up the arms for expansive breath here. In and out. Inhaling, opening up the arms. And exhaling, releasing them. Breathing in, open them up. And then exhale. Let's do that again with our arms all the way up, grasping onto the beautiful energy the universe has to offer. Let's bring it close to our hearts. One more time. Beautiful, expansive energy. Let's be grateful and bring it nice and close to our hearts. Perfect. Let's lower the hands down onto the thighs. Open up for a seated cow pose. Breathe in here. And then exhale, round the back for a seated cat. Reach your fingertips to the front of the room. Chin to the chest. Draw the belly to the back. Good. Inhaling. Exhaling. Breathe out. Again, breathing in and out. Inhaling and exhaling. Perfect. Come on back to center, hands to the heart. Let's go for a twist. Breathe in here. Exhale, go ahead and twist to the left. Come back to center. Exhale, twist to the right. And as we twist, I want you to crunch your belly. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, crunch and twist. Can we do it one more time? Breathing in. Exhale, crunch and twist. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, crunch and twist. Good. Come back to center. Go ahead and take your hands on top of the thighs. Okay, so root your feet into the ground. Feel nice and comfortable here. Both sits bones as much as you can. Root it into the chair. Take your right arm up for a nice high five. And then scoop back down. Inhale, high five. And scooch back down. Again, breathing in and out. Inhale. Exhaling, pressing into those feet. Inhale, open up those hips and the chest. Scooch back down. Inhale, open chest and hips and down. Can we do one more on each side? Breathing in, connecting breath with movement. Out. Inhale. Exhale. Perfect. Nice tight belly. Press on up. Inhaling up. Exhale, release. Take the arms all the way up. Big breath. Touch. Exhale, take your hands to the side. Breathe in. Give yourself a nice big heart opener. So beam the chest up to the sky. Breathe in. And then exhale, press on the sides of the legs with the heel of your hand. Come on all the way down. Breathe out. With a nice tight belly, weight in the heels, press all the way up. Press into the inner legs, inner thighs, all the way up and roll the shoulders back and down. This is me as the registered acupuncturist adding a little bit of meridian work, Chinese medicine. So breathe in, touch. Exhale, hands down, heart opener here. Breathe in, press all the way down. Let's stimulate the yang meridians of the body. Tight belly, press into your heels. Press on the inside, the yin meridian of the body. Stimulating it there and release. Again, breathing in, touch, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, push, 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 push down. Tight belly, come on up, push, push, push on the inside, come on up, breathe in, and release. Can we do one more? Inhale, arms up, touch. Breathe out. Inhale, chest open. Exhale, come on down, breathe out. Tight belly, press all the way up. And release. Okay, how's that feel? Let's take your hands to the heart. Breathe in. Go ahead and twist, breathe out. It's kind of like a reset. Breathing in, exhale, twist. Come on back to center and release. I'm hoping you're feeling a little bit more warmed up now. We're gonna go ahead into our standing poses, which is actually more like our warrior poses. But instead of standing, we're gonna be using the support of the chair to support us. So let's go ahead and take the, I'm mirroring you. So taking your left leg out and taking your right leg, supporting underneath the hamstring on top of the chair. The front foot should be placed down into the earth, and the back foot should be nicely placed almost at a 90-degree angle, where the front heel is in line with the back arch, as best as you can. My sits bones, part of my thigh, is on top of the chair. Sometimes people like to have the entire front part of the thigh on the chair, but look, for me, I'm short, so I have to scooch a little bit further off of the chair, and that's okay because I feel supported. So find what's best for you, okay? Heel in line with the back arch, all four corners of the feet rooted into the earth. Now, it's very common that we have our hips kind of scooching up. Try to have shoulders stacked on top of the waist, and the waist, the hips, are parallel to the floor. So that's gonna force us to work into our legs a little bit more, which is good. It's gonna help to burn heat and create this beautiful gratitude and joy for the holiday season. Let's go ahead and take the arms out, okay? Arms should be parallel to the floor, but of course, if the shoulders are tight, we're gonna lower the arms, okay? We're gonna lower the elbows. So what feels best for you? And I want you to breathe here. So I'm gonna extend because I want some max posture here for myself. Breathing in, looking over the front middle finger, in and out. Now let's dynamically lower. Inhale, arms up, touch, breathe out. Come to parallel arms to the floor. Release. Breathing in, lengthen, and exhale, breathe out. Okay, again, breathing in, touch, breathe out. Release. Breathing in, touch, breathe out. One more time, breathing in, touch, and breathe out. Beautiful. From here, I'd like you to lower the back arm, and I want you to imagine that you're scooping up here. Okay, so you're scooping this beautiful energy all the way up. Okay, so don't dump into the lower back here. I want you to think about heart opener, heart, gratitude, and joy. According to Chinese medicine, our heart is where we have the biggest formation of joy. So really beam your chest open up to the sky, up to the universe, and have beautiful gratitude for this holiday season. Inhaling and exhaling, breathing in, and let's go ahead and release. Well done. Okay, we're going to come out of this pose. I'm going to lean myself back a scooch, and I'm going to scooch my feet back, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Okay, and then I'm going to find myself back into feet hip-width distance apart. I'm going to articulate my spine. I'm going to open up for a cow pose, and then round the back for cat. One more, breathing in and out, cat pose. And one salutation here, arms up, touch, breathe out. heart opener, inhale, exhale, press on the outside of the legs, inside the legs, breathe in, come on all the way up, and release. Okay, that helps us to reset, and now let's go to the other side. So now I'm expanding my legs out. I'm going to do the other side. We have to honor and respect the body. Both sides of the body are not made the same, okay? We always favor one side over the other, which could mean there's more injury on one side or one side's more weak. So be careful, be good to yourself. Now I have the opposite leg now. So this would be my right leg, but this is your left leg. So I'm mirroring you. So knee on top of the ankle, heel in line with the back leg, which is straight and strong. Try not to kip up that hip. We're gonna try to keep it nice and parallel, neutral to the ground, which forces us to have this back leg straight and strong, okay? Knee on top of the ankle, shoulders still stacked on top of the waist. How does this side feel? Take the arms all the way up. Breathe in, touch. Tall spine, and let's go ahead and look over to the front middle finger where the arms are parallel to the floor. How does this side feel? Four corners of your feet rooted into the earth. Let's release the arms. Breathe in, arms up. Touch, and then go ahead, look over. Beautiful, release. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's go again, breathe in. And out. Amazing. Breathing in, touch, breathing out. Finding strength in this warrior two posture. Breathing in, arms up. Breathing out. Let's do one more. Inhale, exhale, and breathe. Okay, holding it here. Lowering the back arm, remembering we're not dumping into the lower back. We're finding gratitude and joy as we open up and expand open up our chest. Inhale here, palm open to the sky. Softly bend into that arm. Breathing in and out. In and out. One more breath. In. You got it. And release. Whew. Well done, everyone. Take the arms back. Go ahead and toe heel those feet back together. Does your body ask you for a little, little scoochy scooch, a little wiggly wiggly? That's what my body's asking. So do what your body's telling you to do. So I'm doing a little movement like this, back and forth. Okay, and go ahead. Feet are hip width distance apart. Cow pose. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more, breathing in and out. Oosh, I'm gonna go a little deeper. Okay, great. From here, salutation, touch, inhale. Exhale, hands to the sides. Inhale, open the chest up, and then down, breathe out. Press into the side of the meridians here. Inhale, press all the way up, and release. Okay, now, after we do some warrior positioning like that, sometimes the lower back calls for a little extra love and care. So we're going to do a little crunching of our bellies while rounding the lower back. So we're gonna press into one foot. So I recommend, so we're matchy. I'd like you to press into your left foot here, raising the right knee into the chest. Give yourself a big hug. Both sits bones still rooted into the earth. So really chest up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze here, and then round the back, breathe out. Good, lift up again, and round. Again, breathing in, chest up, and round. Good, release. Let's do the other side. Press into that other foot. Lift up the other knee, chest up, chest up. So you'll notice sometimes these positions are challenging. We need to draw the belly in to support our lower back. Breathe in, chest up, and round, 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 round. Crunch, crunch. Again, breathing in, chest up, and round the back, please. Try to keep your nose in line with your navel rather than bring your nose to your knee, because then it's kind of twisting. We're gonna bring the nose to the navel, to your belly. Good, last one, chest up, knee up, and round the back. Awesome. Let's release the legs. And now I would like you to take your sits bones. I'm kind of readjusting myself back onto the chair, feeling really comfortable. Feet are hip width distance apart. Go ahead, melt all the way down. Down, 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 down. Now, depending on your practice and your body today, maybe your head doesn't want to go below the heart. That's okay. Maybe you're just down like this, and that's cool too. It's your practice, your yoga. I'm going to go all the way down here. If you can, that's cool. If you can't, that's cool too. I want you to relax the head in all cases. Release the tension out of the shoulders. Breathing here, in and out. Okay, with a nice tight belly, we're gonna peel ourselves all the way back up, 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 up. Well done. Take your arms all the way up. Touch. Hands to the heart. Open up the arms up. Let's squeeze the shoulder blades behind us. Touch again. Squeeze the shoulder blades behind. Again, touch. Squeeze and breathe out, the shoulder blades behind. And let's go ahead and bring them into this goal post position. Show me your yoga fingers and go ahead and twist. Great, come on back to center. Go ahead, twist the other side. Come on, back to center and release. I want to close our practice with just a little bit of rubbing into the meridians at the top of our body because we rubbed into the lower part. So we got to even everything out. Everything is in that yin-yang symbol. According to Chinese medicine, everything is yin and yang. We cut things up into like black and white here just so that everything is in balance. So we work the lower body. Let's work the upper. So I want you to press on the outside of the arm and then turn the palm up, press on the inside of the arm, come across the chest, down on the outside of the arm, up on the inside of the arm, and continue to breathe. Down, up. I'm doing quite firm pressure because I like to stimulate those meridians. I want that blood flow to flow. I'm feeling really grateful and joyous that my body was able to do all of those moves today. And some of the moves, you know, I didn't maybe push it too much. So you do what is best for you and be grateful and joyous in that practice. Okay, last bit here. Wonderful. Release. With your palms open, your shoulders relax, your crown is still lifted to the sky. I'd like you to take a moment and notice how you feel now. Breathe. Did the physical practice of yoga and a little bit of Chinese medicine, kind of tapping and massaging into the meridians, did that help you to feel a little more joyous, a little more happy, a little more grateful? Were you able to release the tension out of the body so that you may find ease and joy? Let's go ahead and breathe here, noticing from head down to toes how you feel. Breathe in and out. One more breath, please. In and out. Well done, everyone. Let's take our hands to the heart. I'm hoping that your body is kind of buzzing, a little tingly with gratitude and joy during this holiday season. Thank you for flowing with me in this chair yoga practice. I look forward to seeing you soon. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to me. And I just love to hear from you. So please comment, give me a thumbs up, but just let me know how you liked it or didn't like it. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Peace. Namaste.